So I messed up my knee. Yep, I don't think that I really did anything that was strenuous to begin with. Although, it does kind of have like a Long John Silver effect, yeah? I think my body's taken this whole pirate thing to a new level. But thinking about doing a video, I have some ideas, but I haven't executed on any of them because I'm like, no, I don't have the footage for this, and no, I don't have that. And then today, I woke up and my knee is all like janky, busted. I have a janky knee. Hashtag janky knee. Hashtag Long John Silver. Woo! That's a lot of sun. It's too much actually. Let's bump this down. Even then, it's like, what is going on? Too much. Oh! And then I forget that I've got a bum knee. Ah! Relief! The tree provides relief. Thank you, tree. Here's the deal, more video, more storytelling, and a little bit of flavor added to it. What's the message? What's the message for this video? Show up, even if you have a bum knee. How's that? Okay. More video content coming your way. Can't wait to see you soon. Peace.